Okay, this is a Stanko hollow spindle engine lathe, 31.5-inch swing by 118-inch centers. It has a 12-inch through hole. It's double chuck. It has a taper turning attachment. You have a 4-way tool post. That's your forge on the front. I'm going to walk you behind. The machine is new in 2001. The serial number 798, and it's a model 1A983. Got hardened ground bedways.
I'll show you the open truck.
Okay.
That's from the other side.
What's happening?
To open, close.
Oh, okay. Let's open
Power truck.
power chuck.
Okay.
Yep.
They close over here.
He's opening and closing the chuck jaws. There you go. Closed. There you go.
Okay.
Jogging the spindle. She's nice and quiet. By the way, you got a Fagor 2-axis digital readout as well. That's your tailstock. Rapid traverse. You can see the DRO working. Rapid traverse the other way. Keep going a little bit. Just showing the DRO. There you go. The wiring is nice and clean. That's your wire track behind. He's doing the cross feed. Do the cross feed again, please. Thanks, Angel. So, moving the cross feed, DRO moving. There you go.
Okay. And then that's threading here.
He just engaged the half nut and he's threading.
Then change it here.
Changing direction on the carriage. Oh, look at that.
Reversing the threading.
Yeah, reverse the threading like a harnage.
There we go.
It's a big harnage. There we go.
There we go.
Yeah.
So then you disengage here.
Okay, disengage the half nut.
Feed.
Yep. He's got the feed rod going. Again, he's feeding. Oh, look at that! Right through the pendant there. Okay. Okay. Cross feed. Again, right there in the DRO.
Okay. Opposite.
Opposite, going the other way. Again, through the DRO. Rapid traverse. Okay, nicely done.
You can feed it. And also here,
yep.
same thing.
Rapid. Yep.
You feed it.
Okay.
Same direction.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
Okay, that's done.
Okay. Uh-huh. It's a low speed. Nice.
Okay.
Do a couple more spindle changes and I guess we're done. Great. Okay. Okay. So you've seen a couple of different speeds. You've seen it thread, you've seen it feed, you've seen it rapid. You saw the, I'm going to walk around the back so you can see the wiring there. Again, there's your taper attachment, fully complete. That's your bracket for the taper attachment. I'm going to shoot the serial number for you, and I think we're done. If I can find this one. Oh, the tailstock, yeah. Moving the quill nice and smooth.
I think the serial number was on the tag.
Yeah, I think you're right. That's all your charts. Thank you for watching the video.